Hello everyone. My friends, success is not measured by what you have accomplished, but by the opposition you have encountered and the courage with which you have maintained the struggle against the overwhelming odds. On this note, I, Devendra Lingayat, along with Ms. Harsha Jain, welcome you all to the 6th Digital BRIMS Connect session. As we all know, BRIMS Connect is a session where all the events and achievements of the students as well as faculty members are showcased. So now let's have a look on the achievements for the month of July. On 1st July, research paper written by Professor Mahesh Bhanushali got accepted for publication in Scopus Index Journal, a journal of computational and theoretical nanoscience, American scientific publishers having H Index 43. From 2nd to 6th July, Dr. Nitin Joshi and Dr. Arlof John Vieira attended 5-day workshop on Universal Human Values conducted by AICTE, Western Region. Going forward, on 3rd July, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully placed following candidates for the internship opportunity in Dainik Bhaskar for Data Analytics and Operations Profile, Ms. Priyanka Shinde, PGDM Operation, and Mr. Siddharth Burke, MMS Operation. So many congratulations to the students. Then on 3rd July, Dr. Arlof John Vieira released BRIMS Connect e-magazine June issue of 52 pages and circulated to all students and faculty members. On 4th of July, a webinar on goal setting was organized at Dr. V.N. BRIMS. Dr. Nitin Joshi was the speaker of the webinar and the session was moderated by Professor Kanchan Akshay. Going ahead, on 5th July, Dr. Smita Zappe successfully conducted online MDP training program for employees of Spurs Fabric on understanding financial statements and decision making. Total 30 participants attended, including 3 directors and members from different verticals such as marketing, accounts, plant head and billing department. The training program was appreciated by all participants, including Mr. Vikas Sodi, director of Spurs Fabric. Further on 6 July, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully placed Mr. Ajay Jaiswal from PGDM Finance in Eclercs. Congratulations. In the period of 7th to 18th July, Professor Vibhuti Save completed IMC RBN QA Trust CEQM refresher course. After completion of refresher course, she has received one assessment opportunity from RBN QA. On 14th July, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali successfully placed following 5 candidates in a well-known e-commerce giant Flipkart with the package of 3.5 lakh for the core operation and supply chain profile. Mr. Vismit Fuljale, MMS Operations, Mr. Aniket Kodlinge, PGDM Marketing, Ms. Chaitali Chauke, MMS Operations, Mr. Ashok Jakhar, MMS Operations, and Mr. Durgesh Sawan, MMS Operations. Congratulations to the students. On 14th July, Dr. Smita Zappe received certificate for completion of Advanced Excel course of Udemy. Then going ahead, on 16th July, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali has successfully completed 8 days FDP course on Innovation and Entrepreneurship from IIT Kharagpur. He also qualified the examination with 70%. His idea on mobile application for instant order booking for channel partners in FMCG has also received appreciation from IIT. From 17th to 24th July, Dr. Smita Zappe along with IQAC members organized online talk series of industry experts for our students on the theme Campus to Corporate, a Career Path Ahead.
On 20th July, Dr. Nitin Joshi delivered a career management counseling session organized by Rotary and Craft Your Career. Also, on 20th July, Dr. Smita Zappe was appointed as reviewer for 2 years by International Journal of Finance and Accounting, which is ABTC listed journal. On 21st July, International Journal invited Dr. Smita Zappe to be reviewer for the International Journal of Finance and Banking, which is ABTC listed journal. On 30th July, Professor Krunal K. Punjani attended 4 days FDP on Demystifying Literature Review Techniques by Dr. Srijesh S. Pillai from Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, and Dr. R.P.S. Gaurav from Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior. Moving ahead, Professor Krunal K. Punjani, Dr. Smita Zappe, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali, Professor Vibhuti Save, and Professor Sandeep Moge. The IIC team of BRIMS organized InnoBiz innovation competition, coordinated with mentors to get the solution notes, and also coordinated with the senior judges panel to evaluate all the teams throughout in the month of July. Now, Professor Mahesh Bhanushali will declare the results for this month.
On behalf of Institution's Innovation Council of Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Dr. V. N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies, we are glad to declare results of InnoBiz innovation competition held in the month of July 2020. On the fifth position, we have a team which was mentored by Dr. Arlof Janvera, and team member includes Parag Bharambe, Sudiksha Kulal, and Siddharth Purke. On fourth position, we have a team led by Dr. Smita Jape, and team member includes Seema Nimbalkar, Pradnya Shetty. On third position, we have team which is mentored by Professor Krunal Punjani, and team members include Jatin Mhatre, Samruddhi Shinde, Shaima Khan, and Ganesh Mahajan. On second position, we have team mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and team member includes Purva Ajgaonkar, Shaili Palav, Revati Padature, and Saili Valanch. And on the first position, we have a team which is led by, mentored by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, and team member includes Mahiba Pauldas, Saili Karamblekar, Prashansa Adakani, and Ankita Chekne. So, heartiest congratulations to all winners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let us have a look at winner's video.
Hello everyone, here we are presenting our innovative solution for high employee turnover in Axis Bank. High employee turnover, which includes the dissatisfaction of the newly recruited management trainees for fitting the role of a relationship manager in Axis Bank is resulting in high turnover, deteriorating service quality. The responsibilities of a servicing customer when passing from one hand to another at a short span is deteriorating the quality. Mounting customer complaints. The complaint from customers for unresolved issues are arising, and this causes a negative perception about the services in the mind of people, affecting the brand image. For having this problem, we made 3 approaches. Employee-oriented approach, which focus on employee satisfaction, service quality-oriented approach, which focus on superior customer service standards, and customer-oriented approach, which focus on speedy resolving of a customer complaints. Employee-oriented approach, for that we are using specialization and recognition strategy, which include grouping customers, means divide the customer as per the certain criteria, for example income group. Specialized training, assign each criteria of a customer to different relationship manager and give specific training. Work as a service analyst, encourage employee to do analyst work in respect of their client and submit report like perception about IT professionals toward investment in mutual fund. Recognizing the creativity, create a journal of the bank where best paper will be published and give award to the best research work at the end of the year. Feedback from employees. Being a frontline worker with a customer, they have to be asked suggestion about change in bank product services to fit a particular customer group, and best idea given opportunity to present before management. Service quality oriented approach. For that we are using centralization and transparency strategy, which include launching centralized database. Create a centralized database where all the customers' complaints are recorded and routed to a particular relationship manager. Transparency in service offer. Place a LED screen in a bank where number of complaints received and pending to be solved by a particular employee is displayed. Stars are assigned to the employee after successful resolving of a complaints. Ensuring speedy service. Complaints pending for more than 5 days should be shown in the red color, indicating to solve them at the earliest. Feedback mechanism. After successful servicing, the employee should enter about it in a database which will send an automatic feedback link to customer. Last one is a customer-oriented approach. For that we are using Know Your Manager strategy. Knowing your manager. Inform customer about their criteria and the manager servicing them, mentoring the manager expertise. Complaining registering mechanism. Create a tab in a website where customers can write their complaints by selecting their criteria, which will be routed to database. Booking appointments. Option to book appointment with their manager either in a call or a presence. Feedback mechanism. After solving issue, a link sent to confirm it and give feedback and suggestion. So this is our innovative solution and it is presented by Mahiba, Saili, Prashansa and Ankita under the guidance of Meenakshi Malhotra ma'am.
Congratulations to the winners. Now, let us have glance towards the achievements of students done during the period of lockdown. Here is the list of students who have completed various online certification courses offered by Google, TCS, Udemy, Coursera, Neptal, Global Business School and various other applications. Also, various competitions were conducted by HDFC Bank such as the Art Project and Anveshan, which was conducted by Kohinoor Business School, and the Case Cation competition organized by IIT Delhi. We would like to greet and appreciate students' efforts and commitment towards learning. In this uncertain environment, it is important that learning continues even if it can't happen in person. So, our students have utilized their time effectively and to their cause. Here, we can see that many students have done so many courses and certifications to enhance their knowledge and get a knack of various skills. Some students have also started their YouTube channel, Facebook pages, Instagram pages where they upload videos or write blogs on various topics, and some of them are also promoting creative paintings through social media sites. In this way, students are discovering more and more inner talents and showcasing the same. Even the students are participating in intercollegiate competitions as well as various competitions organized by our college. Our college have also organized webinars which help the students to build their career in the right manner. It is always appreciative when people learn new things no matter what the circumstances are. During this critical phase, various big firms have provided an online platform to boost learning, and the students who have a crave for learning get benefited too. This time has been very challenging for all of us, but also acted as an opportunity to learn things in a different way and develop ourselves. Now, we have PGDM student Ms. Mudra Bandri to share her experience of learning through online courses.
Good evening everyone, my name is Mudra Bandri. I am studying in PGDM second year. During the lockdown, I have attended various webinars. Mostly they were of stock markets, where I came to know how to do live trading, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and as a beginner, how I should invest in stock market. Two of the webinars which I attended were very different. They were of Indo plants and solar revolution. From those webinars, I also got various information. So I always keep myself busy in attending various webinars during lockdown. Thank you.
Now, we have MMS student Ms. Samruddhi Shinde who will be sharing her experience of learning through online courses in the period of lockdown.
Good evening all. I, Samruddhi Rajesh Shinde from Chanakya Batch would like to thank you all for giving this wonderful opportunity of sharing my experience of how I utilized my lockdown period. It was 1 week after the lockdown. I thought sitting idle was not worth as the cases were increasing and lockdown was going to get extended. So thought taking out some time to develop skills and gain knowledge in area which I want to make my career. So I got myself enrolled into various online courses that helped me in enhancing my IT skills and managerial skills. And I had also enrolled for an Neptal course of Principles of Human Resource Management, which is offered by IIT Kharagpur. It is a AICTE approved course. This course gave a brief knowledge of various principles of HR that are required for a HR person. I attended many webinars conducted by HRFI, that is HR Federation of India. It is a federation in which I got myself registered. We have all HR heads of various companies from all sectors like pharma and telecom, etc. There has been a lot of change in my life. Not only I am getting into grips with a new lifestyle at home due to lockdown, but I am experiencing a new way of learning as well. This is my first experience of remote learning. While I do miss the atmosphere and companionship of traditional campus life, this has been an opportunity to understand the power of virtual class and its benefits. This lockdown period helped me to explore my hobbies and my creativity. I started baking and practicing my calligraphy art and felt free for first time in months. I started spending more time with my family. Almost 5 months later, I feel so much better. I understand how difficult this must be. But it's important to remember that none of us is alone. To get rid of this, all we can do right now is stay home, look after ourselves and loved ones, and look forward to a better future. I would end with a small quote. We are tested not to show our weaknesses but to discover our strengths. Thank you.
Thank you Mudra and Samruddhi. And next, our students have prepared a video on journey of MMS. Let's have a look.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Getting the dream job had always been a priority, and I loved chasing my dreams. And I was fortunate enough to get selected for my dream job. One fine day while working, I started reminiscing about the life-changing moments that brought me here. And all I could recall was how I got into one of the best management college in Mumbai, that is Dr. V.N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies. V.N. BRIMS was set up as a pioneer management college in Thane for more than a decade and a half. Dr. V.N. BRIMS is approved by AICTE, ISO certified and NAAC accredited. It has also been ranked among the outstanding B schools of excellence by CSR GHRDC School Survey 2019. With a huge state-of-art infrastructure, the campus is spread over 13.5 acres of land. The library is stocked with 6,960 books and subscribed to 62 national, 11 international journals, 11 newspapers, with 120 desktops in IT lab, along with spacious classrooms and Panini auditorium. Under the guidance of Chairman Dr. Vijay Bedekar, Director Dr. Nitin Joshi, Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy, V.N. BRIMS has various committees for students to showcase and unleash their talents. The journey began with the induction program where we got to know our professors, played management games and had ice-breaking competitions. Further followed was Freshers' Party. Indeed, it was time to rejoice. Faculty at Dr. V.N. BRIMS constantly update them with latest trends and knowledge to equip themselves with requisite skills. For the same purpose, an FTP on personal branding and image building along with artificial intelligence and machine learning was attended by all the faculty members. Dr. V.N. BRIMS Thane was announced as winner of prestigious Dandekar Trophy as a part of Bombay Management Association Inathon Competition 2019. The competition included total 26 teams from various management institutions. The competition was based on real business challenges for which all the teams had to propose a solution within a duration of 55 days. These proposed solutions were then evaluated by senior corporate experts, and a professor, Dr. Smita Jape, received an award of Best Professor in Finance Studies. BRIMS is a home of various informative sessions like entrepreneurship, innovation, and technology. A workshop from a TED speaker was held and design thinking workshop was also organized. And friends, we get exposure and opportunity to solve real-world business problems by platforms like Live Contest for suggesting improvements to LearnX e-learning platform. How can I forget about international conference? It was so informative as international speakers addressed us with their valuable insights about business environment and role of innovation technology in education and industry. Fujin, a multidisciplinary peer-reviewed journal of BRIMS, provide research scholars, learned faculty as well as students an opportunity to publish their research work at national level. BRIMS Connect is a great step taken by college to keep students motivated by acknowledging and appreciating students who have won prizes in various competitions. It is held on every second Friday. BRIMS had assigned each one of us with highly qualified mentors with whom we can share our doubts on academics and psychological front. Alumni meet and homecoming for alumnus. BRIMS alumnus are really doing excellent work in different fields. BRIMS has done some great value addition in the lives of such upcoming innovators, and one of them is Ms. Ruchi Prabhu. She has authored 3 books entitled Financial Regulation, SPSS is Just a Cakewalk for Researchers, and The Gift. She is also an inspiring author of 2020 at NEEdX LitFest. Our institute inaugurated FMB Cell with the aim of guiding students for growing their existing family businesses. Youth Innovation Challenge, Mock Stock Contest, Blood Donation Camp. MMS students get ample opportunities and exposure to industry through visit to Bombay Stock Exchange, which was one experience where students witnessed live trading of stock. We also had some students who participated in national debate competition. College tries to bring the best out of students by using interactive teaching skills along with out of four-wall activities. VNRIMS not only focuses on academics but also allows students to enjoy through different cultural events such as outbound activity, Swaranjali, Marathi Divas, Gandhi Jayanti and many more. Even though the whole world was battling with the virus, our college didn't stop delivering us knowledge. They conducted online classes taking utmost efforts, which didn't kept us deprived of learning.
Greetings from Dr. V. N. Bedekar, Institute of Management Studies, Thane. I, Dr. Nitin Joshi, Director of the institution, wish to share with you a video on winning in life.
The college doesn't leave your side until you get your dream job. The college provides in-house placement in a very well-known companies which has a wide range of opportunities. BRIM students have been experiencing numerous and varied placement opportunities from well-known brands, exciting salary packages with process-oriented delivery of quality management education. So, if you're looking for MBA, then VN BRIMS is best to be. And then I opened my eyes and I was back to reality. Realized it was just a dream, but it feels like I lived the days once more.
These were all the achievements and updates of various events that happened in the month of July 2020. As we all know, the global pandemic has hit many countries across the world, including our country, and have brought many difficulties and challenges in our life. Yet, through various digital platforms, we are able to connect virtually. Digital platforms have paved the way towards continuous learning and also allows us to engage with one another by sharing ideas, experiences. So, COVID-19 crisis could not be a barrier towards learning and development in new ways. We would like to thank our Director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy for the constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Sandeep Moge and the IT team for the support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their efforts. Today's video was prepared by second year MMS student Sujay Patil and second year PGDM student Ajay Sarse. The anchors for today's event were second year MMS student Devendra Lingayat and myself Harsha Jain. We would like to thank each one of you for joining the event. Thank you for your kind support and cooperation.